So today we're going to make a mahi omelette with my favourite Bhut Jolokia sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt and pepper. We're going to whisk that together. And then we're going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the Bhut Jolokia sauce. And then you can add your desired amount of cheese. And we're going to mix that all together. So if you follow me over to the frying pan, we're going to get this cooking on the way. Smells so good. So when your mahi omelette is finished, you could add a little bit of sauce on the side to dip it in with. And then we're going to try it. From Mahi with love.